Time Sam from I Like Cooking Cookies, and next we're doing a World Chef Let's Play video. So the storyline is basically my grandpa used to own this great diner, and he retired. And now it's my time. I will become, Grandpa, I'll make you proud. So World Chef, skip that introduction. So, basically what you do is you have a place where you basically need to hire people to help you out. See, I only have that guy, but nice to meet you. Your grandpa. Did I tell you about my? Oh yeah. Well, a good friend of mine. Let me show you the basics of running a restaurant. Okay. Let's call this fun. Funny food. Funny food. Okay. There's my grandfather. Oh, such a bad restaurant. Let's sit here. Please, come on. Okay. Have to take your order. Okay, you want that? I know what to do. Okay. Okay, you ready? Collecting the food, okay. Yep. Okay, now there you go. Tap the table to collect the reward on the clients have eating. That's the quickest I ever saw someone ever finish eating. They're like, okay, good. Got the food? Okay, I'm done. Let's put you right there in the corner. Over in the corner, because nobody likes you. Tap to open. Hi, buddy. Go to market. Gonna buy some flowers. Yeah. This is definitely how you bake things. You put flour on a table and it becomes bread. Okay. This is definitely how you make them. Okay, buddy. Want that? You get that. I know. You told me this before. I'm not done. Yay! Hamburgers. Everybody loves hamburgers. I'll put you in the middle. Everybody loves hamburgers. Oh. Why would I speed up time? Now, what do you want? I'm doing pretty good so far. Yeah. He wasn't even cooking. He was just like, he was just standing there like, yep, I'm awesome. Just standing there like, I'm awesome. I see you are almost ready. Let's celebrate it by visiting a famous restaurant around here. Okay. Let's go. Chef. I'm going to your place. Okay, I'm going to your place. Chef. Going to the chef's place. He's just stomping his fingers, stomping his feet. Look around, get inspired. What is he doing? He has alcohol on his head. A shika. And a waiter is standing there. And a bunch of people just sitting there. A guy tossing pizza around and throwing things in ovens. Okay. And he's touching things. He keeps on touching his butt. Everybody loves butt food. What is she doing? She's doing like a dance? Wow, Whoa, this is cool. Look at this place. This guy has it good. And there's his market. And then what the hell? Organize events in the chill out area. And when amazing prizes unlock their routine. Yeah, let's go home. I'm getting sick of looking at things I fantasize over and know that I can't get them for a long time. Okay, so you want a hamburger. I don't have a hamburger. It looks like I do have a hamburger. Looks like he's playing around to catch up and lassoing. Okay, he cooks weird. I'm not exactly sure that's how you're supposed to cook hamburgers. And then he's stomping his feet and making another one. So, I really don't think that's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, pay the bill, buddy. I'm not waiting 3 minutes. Yeah, you have some bread. Yes, I said just eat your bread. I'll be with you in a second. Okay, on the table. Could get decorations. Bang. Whoa, this is cool. Mexican. Well, okay. It says I can get a table. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, but yeah. Let's add another one. It'll be right next to our dough helper. Oh yeah, you pay the bills and get out. 2 fat guys, 1 guitarist guy. Oh, wait, no, yeah. No, I can... Oh, yeah. get you your order. What do you want? Some bread. Patty one. Okay, so it looks like they're happy. Now you have to pay the bill. Pay the bill, buddy. Oh, there's someone over there. Definitely. You see one hamburger? No. Oh, actually, I'll give you one. Pay the bill. It's $7. Really, $7 for well, it's at least one. I can just eat. That's definitely how you make it. Stretch it, and then throw it in the air, then put it together, and you yo-yo with it, and then do cool stuff with it, then start clapping with it. Is he just eating the table? You're not supposed to eat tables. No, just okay, I have a lot of stuff on the go right now. Oh, I have one more. Oh, 6 seconds. Oh, this is hard. I thought it'd be way easier. Okay. There you go. You completed your first achievement. Take a look at the statue. There's a reward just waiting for you. Okie dokie. Awesome. I think yep, all up. Whoa, look at that line. You get out. He was eating a table. That fact, I was eating a table. What do you want? Get one of those. I don't know how to make them, but you will. No, you will know how to make them. Go to the market. Two minutes to cook each. Oh, my new fresh batch of bread is done. Now let's get you working on them. Let's get you working on some more bread. It's always good to think ahead and have what you want to make. I'll write that out. See, he's making that. So just in case I dissolve it like that. Oh yeah, you want that, and then yep, you want the easy. Good. Okay, guys. So this is harder than I thought you would think. So you guys want one? Okay, no. You could bill and leave. Sushi would make me so. Oh, we don't have sushi, so sorry. Yo, what do you want, buddy? Oh yeah. Actually, can I just buy a hamburger? That's better. Good. Well, now Granny and Grandpa are eating the table again. Yeah, you were there for a long time. Better than you expected. What did you expect? Where are you? Now, buddy, you only want one? Okay. So I'm saying one of you will be eating the table. Well, 3 of them will be eating the table. What do you want? Okay, so you put a bill. And then these guys come in. What do you want? Oh, I guess they want bread. Okay, pressure the bread. Let's collect. And then get making. Nom 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 nom. Ah, I need more beef. Whoa, 16 minutes. Whoa, I'm playing this game. Can you cook those? Because both... Is there... Yep, you want bread? Because I'm sure you want these. You want some of that, but you're eating. Hurry up. Bread and 1 piece of Okay, so sushi. Cool. What the heck was that? And you. And then 0, 0. Both of them. I'm at this. Bread and tomato. Oh, go to the market to buy some tomatoes. Get working. You start making a chili dog. Okay, so guys, I have to end the video right here. It was getting really long. And guys, oh my god, I didn't expect to do this good in the first episode. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. Bye.